Ever heard of that saying, curiosity killed the cat? Well, in the world of cryptocurrency, not being curious could leave you missing out. But before you jump into the exciting world of digital assets, there's a hurdle you might encounter: KYC. Now, what exactly is KYC? It stands for Know Your Customer, and it's a process financial institutions use to verify your identity. Think of it like showing your ID at the bank. But does this apply to cryptocurrency exchanges like Gemini? Let's break it down. The rise of crypto and the need for KYC. Imagine a world where anyone could move vast amounts of money anonymously. Sounds like a dream for some, right? Well, that's kind of how cryptocurrency started. Early adopters loved the freedom and anonymity it offered. However, this also opened the door for some not-so-great activities, like money laundering and illegal financing. Governments around the world weren't too happy about that. They needed a way to track transactions and prevent these illegal activities. That's where KYC regulations came in. Just like traditional banks, crypto exchanges now have to comply with these regulations to operate legally. Does Gemini require KYC? Buckle up, it depends. Alright, so now we know KYC is a thing. But does Gemini require it for everyone? The answer, like many things in life, is it depends. Gemini, known for its focus on security and regulation, takes KYC very seriously. There are different levels of verification on the platform, each with its own limitations. Level 1, Basic Verification, a peek through the window. This is the most basic level. All you need is an email address and a password to sign up. But hold your horses. With Level 1, you can't do much. You can't deposit funds, buy crypto, or withdraw anything. It's basically like looking through a store window. You see all the cool stuff, but you can't actually buy it. Level 2, Full Verification. Welcome to the party. This is where things get interesting. To unlock the full potential of Gemini, you'll need to complete full verification. This involves providing your government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and sometimes even additional documents like proof of address. Once you're fully verified, the party starts. You can deposit funds, buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and even withdraw your hard-earned digital coins. It's like finally getting past the bouncer and into the club. Wait, there's more? Transaction limits. Even with full verification, there might be limitations. Gemini, like many exchanges, may have transaction limits based on your verification level and location. These limits help them comply with regulations and prevent suspicious activity. The KYC conundrum: security versus anonymity. So, KYC is a necessary evil? Well, it's a trade-off. On one hand, KYC helps keep the crypto ecosystem safe and secure. It deters illegal activity and protects users from fraud. On the other hand, it reduces anonymity, a core principle of early cryptocurrency. The future of KYC and crypto. The world of crypto is constantly evolving, and the way KYC is handled is no exception. New technologies are emerging that could allow for verification without compromising anonymity. We might see a future where you can prove you're a real person without revealing your entire identity. In conclusion, weighing your options. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use a KYC-compliant exchange like Gemini depends on your priorities. Do you value security and a user-friendly platform more than complete anonymity? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.